So in this video we'll be doing the unit review of fractions, multiplying, dividing, and order of operations in fractions. Okay. The first one, guys, so let's see if we can simplify anything. All right, so we have 3 over 4 multiplied with 8 over 9, right, guys? Now let's see if we can simplify. We know that 3 will change to 1, 9 will change to 3, 4 will change to 1, and 8 will change to 2, correct, guys? So our answer is right here, 2/3. 2/3, right, guys? Let's do the next one. So we have 5 over 16, or let me use a red color. So we have 5 over 16 times 4 over 15, right, guys? And we can simplify 1 and 4, 1 and 3, and our answer is 1 over 12, right, guys? Our answer is 1 over 12. Next one, we got 7/6 times 8/21. Okay, let's simplify. This will change to 4, this will change to 3, 7 will change to 1, and 21 will change to 3, right, guys? Which is equal to 1 times 4 is 4 over 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer is 4 over 9. Alright, guys, let's go to the next question. Here we go. So Claude mowed 1/4 of the lawn before lunch. After lunch, he mowed 2/3 of the uncut lawn. What fraction of the lawn did Claude mow together? All right. So before he started mowing after lunch, Claude had. All right, here we go, guys. So first, what did he do? He did 1/4 of the lawn before lunch. Okay, so that means after lunch he had 3/4 remaining, or 3/4 remaining. Does it make sense, guys? So let's say this is a lawn. Let's divide it into 4 equal parts. So before lunch, let's say he mowed 1/4 or 1/4. That means that there was still 3/4 or 3/4 left. Okay. Now he mowed 2/3 of the uncut lawn after lunch, right? So after lunch, let's write that down. After lunch, he did 2/3 of 3/4, right? He did 2/3 of 3/4. So this is simplify 1, 1. This is 1 and 2. So 1 over half after lunch, right, guys? He did half after lunch. Now, the question is, what fraction of the lawn did he mow together? So we know that before lunch he did 1/4. After lunch he did half. So let's see how much is remaining. Okay, so there are many ways on how we can do it, guys. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add them up. Okay, so we have 1 over 4 plus half. Right, now in order for us to add fraction, we're going to make the denominators equal. So we got 1/4 plus 2/4, which is 3/4. So totally he mowed 3/4, right, guys? All right, 3/4. So he mowed 3/4 of the lawn together. All right, guys, make sure you understand this question, and whenever you have a word problem, make sure you draw the figure out, or whatever that makes it easier for you to understand. Okay. All right, next one, guys, converting it into improper fraction. All right, this is pretty easy. So the first question, I'm going to do it step by step. So we have 5 times 3 plus 3 over 5, right, guys, which is equal to 15 plus 3 over 5, which is 18 over 5. This will be our final answer, right, guys? So this one, what do we have? 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 39 over 8. Question C, 16 times 1 is 16. 16 plus 11 is 27 over 16. There we go. Very, very simple. All right, next one, we're going to multiply this fraction. Now before that, we have to convert them into improper fraction. All right, so 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27 over 8 multiplied with 10 over 3. Right guys, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now let's simplify. 1 and 9, this will change to 5 and this will change to 4. So our answer is 9 times 5 is 45 over 4. Now change it into a mixed fraction. We have 11 and 1 quarter. 11 and 1 quarter. Question B, guys. Let us do the same. So convert into improper fraction first. So we have 12 over 5 multiplied with 20 over 3. Right guys, simplify. 1, 4, 1 and 4, and 4 times 4 is 16 over 1, which is equal to 16. Alright guys, next one, what do we have? We have 17 over 12 multiply with 21 over 8, right? 21 over 8. Let's see what can simplify. This is 4, this is 7. Now 17 times 7 is, let's see, 9, 1, so 119 over 8 times 4 is 32. Right guys, 8 times 4 is 32, and here is our answer. Alright, now let's go to the next one. So here guys, when dividing, we are going to find a reciprocal of the second fraction, right? So 4, you can also write it as 4 over 1. So we have 4 over 1 multiplied with 3 over 2, right guys? We swap the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction, all right? Now let's see if we can simplify 1 and 2, and our answer is equal to 6. Our answer is 6. Next one guys, 5 times 4 over 3, which is equal to 20 over 3, and we can change it to a mixed number if we want. So 6 and 2/3. 6 and 2/3, right guys? Next one, 3/5 times 4/3. Yes, find a reciprocal, simplify, and our answer is 4 over 5. Alright guys, the remaining of this question I will continue in the next video, and see you guys next time.